What's up, everybody? It's Anza04, bringing you another weird, cool purchase. This time it's the Sparks. It's a barbecue lighter, but it's kind of cool. It's called an arc lighter. Let me get right to it. Took it out. So you charge it up with the USB. You got the safety switch. There's a bunch of imitations and other brands on the market right now, so I just bought this one. Had the most reviews. Has a hook, comes with this stupid looking whatever that is, some instructions. It says to charge it for 1 to 2 hours and then it's full. There's a light that comes on right there. So here's what happens when I move this. Something pops up, right? That's where the two metal contact points are, and it creates like this, think of like a Tesla coil. It's the coolest thing ever. I don't know why it's so cool, but it's just cool. And it literally is fire. So let me show you. Here's the back of a match head, right? And let me light her up. Kind of cool, huh? Huh? So, very interesting product. Alright, here's why I bought it. I'm out ice fishing. You bring your trusty lighter, right? Made out of isobutane, I think it's, or it might be just butane. And you try lighting it, it won't light. Cold, and these types of lighters just don't work. Next, you got 20-30 mile an hour winds blowing right at your stuff. So what happens? Check it out. Example purposes, canned air. Probably not the best, but it'll serve its purpose. It actually turned into a flamethrower. You get the point, right? Same thing with a match. You literally have milliseconds from the point that you start it to get to your point of fuel. So same thing, right, with the match. But watch. With this, even if I were to take air to it, turns it into a flamethrower. That's kind of... But the wind doesn't cut it. That's the important piece to it. Plus, it's driven by electricity. No fuel, no gas. It's just straight electricity. And once again, it is fire. Cool, huh? So, the Sparks, I'll just call it arc lighter. It is cool as hell. Buy one below, click the link. There's gonna be 400 more options. I just got this. It just was the best one that I could find. I think it's still new to market. One caveat, this USB port is not square, so it requires a lot of wiggling before it pops in. Other than that, the thing is awesome. Anza04 out.